got off at a decent time, raced home as fast as I could get home, threw all my gear in, jumped in my car. This relic hunting's like a damn drug. Withdrawing or something. I don't know. Heading over to a little spot I've been eyeballing. I've hunted fairly close to this spot. I found a lot of artillery here. Shell fragments and pieces of bombs and stuff. Confederate and Union. Hotchkiss shells. Some round, there, my buddy, my relic hunting partner is hitting me back. Go to my house. He wants me to relic hunt around his house. I don't know if I have enough time for that. Man, I don't know if I'm gonna have time to go to your house, buddy. I got something here. I got a decent one, and I just got it out of this hole right here. But you know, it looks like a Hotchkiss shell. It looks like the bottom of the shell, the base bottom part. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to clean it up to find out. I got a really pretty deep signal here. I really didn't pick it up until I barely got a faint signal until I pinpointed it. It picked it up, but I can't. Man, it's big, whatever it is. It feels like a shell fragment, man. I hope so. It feels like a pretty big one too. I think I got it free. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, yes. Hell freaking yes. Look at that big ass freaking artillery shell. It is a shell fragment. A shell fragment. I can't even talk. A shell fragment. A shell fragment. I'm back in talk words. Oh yeah, buddy. Look at that. Man, that's a heavy son of a bitch right there. Imagine getting caught with this big, man, when they exploded overhead and all the pieces of shrapnel went everywhere, the round balls go flying. You know, catching a round ball would be bad enough. Can you imagine catching this son of a bitch? I mean, this thing feels like it's freaking 5 pounds. That would take your head off. Or an arm, or a leg, or something. I mean, it's heavy, man. That's cool. That's really cool. All right. That's what I came here for. That's what I was hoping for. Shell fragments. It's getting dark on me, man. I got maybe like 10 minutes tops, and the sun will be completely over the horizon. Over the Blue Ridge Mountains, way over yonder. I got another good signal here. I'm running it in all metal mode, and I'm picking up some deep targets. This one's actually not super deep though. Ouch, gosh, stickers everywhere, man. I mean, it's all this is. Look at this. Sticker Bush City, man. Stickers, thorns, thistles, all kinds of that garbage. I'm stuck in stickers, man. I'm gonna have to go out backwards. God dang, dude, there's stickers everywhere. But you know what? If you want to find the good stuff, you gotta get in the stickers, man. You just gotta. Ouch. Good Lord. Uh-oh. I might got another signal right in the goddamn stickers. You know why the... Man, I can't even see what my readout is. I can't... Man, it's a deep one right in the stickers. I'm going to have to save that one for another day. You know something funny? Uh-oh. Ooh, I got some banging. Uh-oh. Every time I go relic hunting, well, not every time, but I bet you at least 50% of the time I find golf balls. Always find golf balls. Sometimes my pouch has got more golf balls than relics. That could give you a hint of where I'm at. I got 2 signals here. I got one there. I think I found it. Feels like a bottle cap. No, that's a walnut or something. Good lord. Alright. I bet you can't even see me. Nah. Stickers. It looks like a freaking squale nail. A squale nail. What's wrong with me, man? I can't talk this evening. A square nail. Good lord. I can't even talk. Here soon I'm not going to be able to walk because it's freaking dark, man. I can't see nothing here. I gotta turn you off for a second, guys. Look what I just found, huh? Dimpled. Interesting. Just, you know what? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Found another one. You know what I think these are? I think these are dimpled sharps. Pretty nifty, huh? Yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Got bunches of them. I think I found something else that's kind of neat too, man. Looked like a piece of freaking gold, but it's too dark to tell right now. Wait, dude, this is a sweet spot. Man. This is freaking awesome. There ain't nothing better than pulling out stuff like that out of the ground. Ain't nothing better.